Okay, so on these problems, when they give you a graph, they're wanting you to set up an integral, but you have to pay attention to what they give you in the graph so you know what your A and B are. So this one is x plus sine of x, and it's going from 0 to pi. So 0 to pi is your A to B, and then x plus sine of x is your f of x. So make sure you put dx to end the integral and show it whatever we're using. So take the antiderivative of it. So the antiderivative of x is x squared over 2. The antiderivative of sine would be negative cosine because the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So to make it positive, it had to have a negative there, okay? You're evaluating it from 0 to pi. So we plug in pi first, and then we do 0. Okay, so you have pi squared over 2. Cosine of pi is negative 1, so a negative has negative makes it a positive. And then over here, this is 0. Negative and a negative make a positive. Cosine of 0 is 1. So you get 1 plus 1, so you get pi squared over 2 plus 2. You can just leave it like that. Okay? Alright, so with that in mind, on this one, so 43, they want you to find the area bounded by whatever equations it gives you. So we have negative x squared plus 4x and y equals 0. So y equals 0 meaning they just want you to stay above the x-axis. Okay? It's a quadratic and it's negative, so it's like going down like this. Okay? So you need to figure out where is it crossing the x-axis at. So if we set it equal to 0, and we factor out an x from both things, you get x times negative x plus 4. So x could be 0 or x could be 4. So those are the two places that it crosses the x-axis at. So 0 to 4 is going to be your interval. So you have negative x squared plus 4x dx. Take the antiderivative, you get negative x cubed over 3. 4x becomes 2x squared because you end up doing the 4 divided by 2. So then you go from 0 to 4 to evaluate it. So you plug in 4, and then plug in 0, you get 0. So you just solve for the 4 part, and you get 32 over 3. Okay?